Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to solve this question. If you want to try, just pause this video and try it. Otherwise, after that, you can follow this video to get that answer for this question. You see this very simple model. Here, the percentage relation. Percentage of an element, if you want to check, the percentage of the element is equal to weight of element in that compound divided by molecular mass of the compound. Molecular mass of compound into 100. So here what they are asking for? They are asking for the molecular mass of the compound. So in this case, the percentage already given. 20 is equal to, they said one molecule contains two nitrogens. One nitrogen is 14, two nitrogens means 28. So here you have to take 28 divided by, you don't know about the molecular weight of the compound, so you take it like this. So therefore molecular weight of the compound is equal to 2800 divided by 20. Cancel it. Here we will get 140 is the molecular weight of the compound. So answer for this question is third option, option C. The similar model we try with one more question. See this. Same formula you can use. Hemoglobin contains 0.33% of Fe by weight. If one molecule contains 2 Fe atoms, the molecular weight of the hemoglobin they are asking. Very simple, same method. You take percentage is equal to weight of element in that here Fe and molecular weight of, we have to take it molecular weight of the compound. So same formula you use. Here percentage 0.33 and weight of the Fe. Two Fe's are there. That's why you can take it 56 plus 56. That 112. That means 112 into, you don't know about this molecular weight of the compound of hemoglobin into 100. So you can take it molecular weight is equal to 11200 divided by 0.33. If you take, you are getting 33,939 like that you will get, which is approximately equal to second option. Have you got it what I'm talking here? Is it clear? That's it.